Welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, we're going to be recycling a jar, okay? And it's painted, I spray painted it ahead of time in the seafoam green, okay? Then the bottom, the top part of the jar, I spray painted that in black. Now, we're going to be using these rub-on transfers here. You can find them at the Crafter Square at your local Dollar Tree, hopefully. We just got these in, so it took us a while. Then what I did ahead of time also is I made a shoe bow. This is from the nautical rope. I unraveled the 3 strands that it normally comes in, and this is a single strand, which is thick enough for me. And we're going to be embellishing that jar with it. And I'll probably be using one of these. I think I got this. I'm not really sure what it's called, but it was in with the bling wrap. And I got it at AC Moore. So I found this in my stash. So I figured we can use that in this craft. So let's jump right into the project. Oh, guys, they also have these at the Dollar Tree. These are really nice. These are dry flowers, and I love them. They had them there for a little while. I haven't seen them lately, but we're going to be using these for the jar. Okay, so let's jump right into the project. I am going to use my blue carrot. I can't find a credit card or a card to rub the transfer. This is my first time using the transfer, guys, so please be patient with me. Now, I painted this. I never used it for Easter, so we're going to use it to rub on the transfer. So this particular jar, I wanted to say, I am human. Okay, I saw that somewhere, and I absolutely loved it. So we're going to peel off the transfer. Okay, I'm sorry, my hands have paint on them. I'm going to peel off the transfer, then we're going to figure out the placement of the eye. Okay, I'm okay with that. Looks straight. We're going to rub that on. Okay, you want to make sure you rub every area of that. Oops, that came off. Thank goodness it didn't come apart. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Isn't that awesome? Then right next to that, I'm going to do the am. So I'm going to peel that back, that plastic off the paper. Then we're going to place where the am is going to go. So now you got to be very delicate with this when you peel it off the paper, because the heat from your hand will distort that ink. Okay, then we want to do this bottom part here, and then we can lift off the paper. See? So let's see. These are so delicate. Let's see if I can get that off. Okay. Woo! Woo! All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish placing on these transfers, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys. So this is what we have. And like, you do see a little bit of flaw there, but we don't make mistakes. We make happy accidents, like I once heard. So, and plus it gives the craft character. Look how beautiful that looks. Isn't that? I think it looks beautiful. Now, for my sake, I'm going to go ahead and seal it. If you don't want to seal it, you don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and seal it because I noticed that the letters are very delicate, and I just feel better if I do that. So I'm going to go ahead and seal it. And we're going to use the Mod Podge for that. And all that's going to do really is just protect the letters so they don't rub off or smear. Okay, and that is going to dry clear. So as that's drying, we're going to go ahead and we are going to glue it to the stand. And I am going to be using the Fix All adhesive and my hot glue gun. The Fix All adhesive is going to give it a permanent stick, and the hot glue is going to help us to continue working because that dries quickly. This takes 24 to 48 hours to dry. So I normally, when I work with projects that has this glue or the E6000, I kind of forget about it for 2 days, 24 to 48 hours, and then I give it time to cure so that you don't have any accidents with it. So this jar has an indentation over here in the center. So my focus is going to be really some points here. The points that are going to be touching the lid, okay? And then over here, I mean, I'll drop some glue in the center, but I don't believe those are the points that we need to focus on. So I'm going to go ahead, lay that down. Okay. Push down a little bit. We're going to give that a second. This is what we have. Okay, now while that's drying, I have to figure out the placement of that bow. Now we don't want the bow obviously to cover that what we put on the jar, which is I am human. So I'm gonna put the bow off to the side, unless, let me see. No, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bow off to the side like this. All right, so let's embellish that first. So we'll put some glue. We'll place this in the center of that jute twine bow. Okay, and then we'll glue the bow to the jar. Oops, that's coming up. All right, let's glue this down first. Now I'm going to cut a little bit off the bottom here. Yeah, I think I like that better. I'm testing out these scissors from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, I'm not really too happy with them. Sometimes they're okay for smaller jobs, but nothing to cut anything too thick. So they are good. I'm not trying to really critique them. They're just not made for, you know, anything that you're cutting too thick. All right, so I'm going to move this over to the side here. Okay, and this to the side. So guys, this is what we have. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I am human. I love that. Okay, so I'm going to put some of these flowers in there. And I think I like these. Hold on a second. All right. We don't need to put them all in there, but okay, aren't they beautiful, guys? These are so nice. They're made with branches. Okay. So guys, that's the craft for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please click like, share, subscribe, and comment. And guys, I hope you enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.